2, next number 3, our next number is 4, 5, which number is this? 6, 7, 8, next number is 9, and 1 and 0, 10. Which number is this? 1 and 0, 10. Next number is 1 and 1, 11. It's number 11. 12, 1 and 2, 12. Number 13, 1 and 3, 13. 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, and which number is this? 20, 20. Class, now we revise shapes name. You all have to revise with me. Which shape is this? This is circle. This is circle. Which shape is this? This is triangle. Which shape is this? This is rectangle. And which shape is this? Star. Which shape is this? Star. And which shape is this? This is... Okay class, today our date is Wednesday 23rd December 2020, and today our topic is number 1 to 15. We are writing on copy from number 1 to 15. First we revise the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1 and 0, 10. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. From which number? From 1 to 15 we are writing on our copy today. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 and 15. Class, now we perform our activity. Now we are doing activity circle the number 15. Which number? Number 15. Here we have pasting many numbers. We have to circle the number 15. 1 and 5, 15. So which letter is this? Oh sorry, which number is this? 7. Which number is this? 1 and 5, 15. Is it same? Yes, both numbers are same. So we circle the number 15. Okay, is it same? No, this is not number 15. Yes, this is this number and this number is same. So we are circle the number 15. Okay, have we... Now this number is 9, this number is 2, 3, not number. Yes, here is number 15. Thumbnail. And how many numbers is it? Yes, here is number 15. So which number we are making a circle? On number 15. Like this we circle on number 15. Today our written date is Wednesday 23rd December 2020, and we are writing from 1 to 15 over here. So we start. Yes, straight line, making a straight line. This is 1. Making a curve, slanting line and straight line, it's 2. 1, 2, and after 2 it's 3. Making a curve and making a curve, it's number 3. Making a sleeping line, making a straight line and straight, it's 4. Making a sleeping line, making a curve, straight line, 5. This dot is out, so we are making here a new dot and slanting line and half circle, it's number 6. Straight line and slanting line, number 7. making a circle and other circle joining it, making a straight line, and from this side we are making a curve. It's 9 and 1 and 0, 10. 1 is like a straight line and 0 is like a circle, full big circle. Yes, it's number 10. And here we write number 11. Straight line and straight line. It's number 11. Now we write number 12. First we write 1. Now this is starting point, making a curve, making a slanting line and making a straight line. It's 12. And which number is next? I forgot. 11, 12 and 13. Yes, it's 13. 1, making a curve and making a curve. It becomes number 13. And which number is next? Yes, 14. And 14 is first we write 1 and making a sleeping line, then straight line and then straight line. It's number 14. And 1 slipping line, making a curve and straight line. It's 15. Okay, shall we revise again? Yes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 1 and 0, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 and 15. Class, today we talk about good manners. And this is the word thank you. When we should say thank you? When anyone give us any kind of thing, any kind of sweet, any kind of pencil, when mama give you, anyone give you anything, you will always say thank you. And the good manner is we should always wash our hands before eating meal or anything.